What?
What are you gonna do?
Sort stuff out?
You look like you've been playing poking a stick at a bee's nest.
Yeah. That's a wife-induced pimple.
Wife-induced pimples?
Wife-induced. It's a known fact. In fact, it's a medically known fact.
What are you gonna do? If they're bent, throw them away?
I just might.
Has life degraded to this rate of boredom that the only exciting activities left to us is to sort a plastic tub full of screws,
No.
nails?
No. Why? What do you want to do?
I bet you can't guess what I don't want to do.
Sort nails?
Yeah.
Okay. Then don't.
I don't want to sort nails, Tim. And I don't want to spend the day watching you play your video games. And I don't want to spend the day
Then what do you want to do?
with the TV.
What do you want to do? As usual,
I don't know, something that will entertain me.
all right then. Now that could be problematic.
Why? Well, if I had my elliptical, I would ellipticize.
Yeah, that's true. You probably would.
It would be something to do.
Yeah.
I could ellipticize. Is that a word? Ellipticize?
I don't know. It might be now.
Elliptitate? Too much activity outside and now you gotta take a nap?
Yeah.
About you. You gonna take a nap? Baby dog, go and take a nap. Go and go sleep. Oh, I said the word now.
You did it. Yep.
Oops. Can't say the word sleep at these dogs. They're like, okay, let's go to bed. Get under the blankets.
Yep.
I'm okay with that.
They are.
Butler, you want to go sleep?
He's always up for it.
Are you up to sleep? I can't hardly see you. You're a black dog laying in a black furry dog bed. It's a good thing you have a little white on your snout. Grumpy? Alright, Grumpy. Tim.
What?
It's not fun.
Okay.
I hope you've had a tetanus shot.
Yeah.
I don't know when's the last time I've had mine, so I'll stay over here. Better wash your hands when you get done.
Actually, I was gonna make you a sandwich as soon as I got done.
A rusty sandwich.
Yeah, with extra flavor. Bart, Bo, whichever one he was out there barking.
It's Bart, because everybody else is in the house. Barnaby's over here behind me licking his paws.
Yeah, that's a good boy.
Are you licking your paws, Barnaby? The mailman's here. You guys aren't going to bark at the mailman? What kind of dogs are you? At least I think the mailman's out there. It sounds like a mail truck. Yep, there he is. Mailman! Ruff, 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 ruff. Mail girl. It's a mail chick. There you go. Bark, bark, bark. Did we get anything? Too boring.